Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 was announced yesterday with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, Leica cameras. It takes on the likes of Z Fold 4, OPPO Find N, Vivo Fold X and others in the market. It features a different rear panel compared to its predecessor. It has a horizontal camera module housing Leica branded 3 sensors. It has swapped the 108 megapixel main camera to a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 primary sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide sensor and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x zoom. Last year the shape-shifting camera has been removed and giving a proper 2 cameras this time. The device is capable of 8K recording, supports Dolby Vision HDR format recording. It has volume slider and power button on the right side. The power button is also a fingerprint scanner manufactured by Goodix. It is around 5.4 millimeter slim when it is unfolded. When it is folded, it is 11.2 millimeters thick. The device weighs around 262 grams, so it is the slimmest phone unfolded, foldable phone along with the Huawei Mate X2. It has 6.5 inch outer display E5 AMOLED screen, Full HD Plus with 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with Gorilla Victus. When it is unfolded, it has a 8.2 inch screen with 2.5 resolution with 120 frames refresh rate. Both the inner, the display has ultra thin glass and ultra display camera. It supports Dolby Vision, has 1000 nit brightness and it has true color technology. It's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 12GB RAM, up to 1TB storage. It has 4000 mAh, 500 mAh battery. That's gone down from 5000 in the first generation, which supports 67 watts charging. It comes with MIUI 13. It's offered in a black and gold color. The starting price is $1,335 for the 256GB version, and the 1TB version is around $1,780. It is up for pre-orders with sales commencing from August 16th. I think it's a disappointment because they've reduced the battery size and it's more expensive than before. But let's see how it turns out to be. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.